We've got some burnweed. Got the white panicle asters that are flowering even more. Got some beggar ticks that are about to flower. And we got the fucking squash invasion happening. Me and my neighbor's yard. Right in the middle of that. It's just a beautiful little common evening primrose. And climbing up right here is the beanstalk. And on the side we got the false sunflower and some more primrose. Got some nightshade right next to more squashes. Got some sad ass potatoes. Way more panicle aster everywhere. Everywhere. Growing on top of the pile of concrete left here by construction workers. Got a big old horseweed right here. Got some white avens. Kind of crunchy, but more false sunflower. More avens right under the tree of hell stump. Fuck you. Next to that, we've got some more panicle aster. Got some Canada wild rye. Got some more false sunflower down here. A lot more panicle aster. Some swamp milkweed. Love this guy. More wild rye. I'm gonna spread some of them seeds. This one's sneaky. This is a Illinois bundle flower. I love this guy. He's so cool. Got some chicories too right next to the concrete boulder pile. Much more white panicle aster. Much more. Oh yeah, and we've got a giant ragweed. If you're not blinded by the sun, you can kind of see it. And a grapevine climbing the telephone pole. And here we got some white snake root. Looking good. More chicory. More chicory. Got a bunch of rhomboid Mercury right here. Cool guy. And the compost pit. It looks like shit. Yeah, and lots of Virginia creeper climbing up this mulberry tree. With birdhouse. And they're fruiting just in time for bird migration. And all these are wild morning glories. They look real pretty in bloom. Got some beautiful new Virginia asters about to flower. Fungus stump. Fungus stump. Hey, what the fuck? Get out of here. Got some phlox growing through the fence. Got some sneezeweed, swamp sunflower, whatever you call it. Right over here we got more New England aster, baby, and they are full bloom. Oh, hello. Hello, sir. Sorry to disturb you. Ain't that beautiful? Alright, that's all I'll stop for today. Next time, front yard tour. Oh, look, a bur oak. Hello, bye-bye.